like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get started. Hey family, what's going on with you today? So today we're going to change the puddle lights in Christine. That's the lights that so Charger's got the lights on the bottom of the doors. They call them the puddle lights. So we're going to change that from a regular light to a light that's going to project the RT symbol onto the ground. So all you need is a good screwdriver or something to a little pry bar or whatever. To pry the light out, and that's it. Real simple mod, real inexpensive. The lights come in pairs, and I got 2 pairs for the front door and for the back door. All together it ran me about 70 bucks, so 35 per set. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description for Amazon or where I got it from. Seems to be a good company. The lights look good, so let's get to it. All right, so let's get started. So I am underneath the front door, and this is the light right here. And you see it's a dull, ugly yellow. So we're going to change this out real quick. And all that you do is you just, so I got a little piece right here on the corner closest to the car, and you just, boom, pop it out. Now, preferably you should have disconnected the battery or something so this light won't be on. I actually learned the hard way because I accidentally touched the light, burned my finger. But you know, I'm telling you so you don't have to make my mistakes. So it's real simple. You just push this tab down, pull it right out. All right. Once you do that, you take the new light. This is what it looks like. See, and it's got a little projector in there. So plug it in. Boom. And you got light. So pop that right back into place. All right. Real simple mod. Now let's check and see if it. All right. So it's daytime, but so one of the things you want to make sure is that it's not upside down. They're set up to be for the left door and the right door. So if I was to put this one, because I'm on the driver's side, so if I put this on the passenger side, it would be upside down. So make sure before you move on to the next one, you check and see that it is facing the right direction. So this is my hand here, and I'm facing the front of the car, and it's not upside down. So there you go. Real quick and easy to do. Like I said, it's less than 100 bucks. It's less than 100 bucks, and real easy to do. You could do it yourself in a matter of, so I did that in less than a minute. So I did all 4 of them. It takes about maybe 5 to 10 minutes. But like I said, one of the things, make sure you disconnect the battery so the lights will be off. Because once you, or if you don't, just make sure that you're careful not to burn yourself. All right. That's number 1. Number 2, make sure you're checking to make sure it's not upside down. All right. So that's very important. The bug's trying to get me. So make sure they're not upside down. So make sure you check them before you move on to the next one, or make sure you don't have to switch back and forth. So that's all for that. Stay tuned. At the end of this video, I'm gonna show you what it looks like at nighttime when everything is all put together. So stay tuned for that, and I'll probably put some bonus footage of a car meter, or us fellas getting together for the 4th of July. Anyway, y'all stay safe out there. Have a good weekend. Have a good holiday weekend, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace. So after they're installed, this should be your end result. That's how it looks like, how it looks in the night. Looking real nice, looking real nice. Got those RT projectors shining, looking sweet. All right, gang. Well, I just wanted you to see how I looked at night. And hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification. And I am out. Hit y'all next time. Later.